Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make this bracelet. 2 mm crystal and rice bead. 4 mm pearl. Jump ring and lock. 0.2 mm fishing line of 1 m length. Fix the spring in the middle of the fishing line. 6 beads. Use a fishing line to pass through 4 pearls and the last bead. Do the same to the other bead. Repeat until you get the desired length. Pass through the ring. Pass through the 2 beads. Pass through a few beads to make a knot. Do the same to the other bead. Thanks for watching.
Bye!